work out the values of A and B in the identity. Now, the identity bit is these three lines. It means what's on the left is equivalent to what's on the right. So we're not going to deal with this like an equation. We're not going to move things from one side to the other or do the same to both sides. What we're trying to do is make the thing on the left look like the thing on the right. And you'll notice on the right you've got something times x plus a constant or a number. So we're trying to turn this into something times x plus a number. Now, looking at the left-hand side, there's quite a lot going on here, but we can probably simplify because we've got some brackets here. So let's start out with that. Let's write out the expression 3ax plus 6 minus 4 bracket x plus b. That's all equivalent to 11x plus 14. I'm going to try and simplify this bracket, so I'm going to expand that out. Now be careful because you've got a minus 4 here. So to start with, let's write out 3ax plus 6. We're not doing anything with that at the moment. But then I've got minus 4 times x, which is minus 4x, and minus 4 times b, which is going to be minus 4b. And that's all equivalent to 11x plus 14. Now I've got x showing up twice here, and it only shows up once here. So why don't we try and group together our like terms and see if we can rearrange this. I've got x's here, so let's do 3ax minus 4x. Then I've got my plus 6 minus 4b. I've got x showing up twice here, but if I factorise my x, I can put in brackets 3a minus 4. And I can do this because x times 3a would give me 3ax, and x times a minus 4 would give me minus 4x. So now we've got x times something, which is like what we have on the right here. We've got x times something, x times 11. And then finishing this off, we've got plus 6 minus 4b. Now if you look at this stage, here's your x times something and plus something on the end. I think this needs to be equal to 14 and this bit needs to be equal to 11. Now for 3a minus 4 to equal 11, a would have to equal, well, 3a minus 4, this would have to be 15 under my finger. So 3 times 5 is 15 minus 4, so I reckon a equals 5. And for 6 minus 4b to equal 14, 6 minus something equals 14. 14 is bigger than 6, so b must have to be a negative number, because a minus times a minus would be a plus. 6 plus what is 14? 6 plus 8. So if b was minus 2. So let's just test this out. If a was 5, 3 times 5 minus 4 equals 11. Good. And if b is minus 2, 6 minus 4 times a minus 2, minus 4 times minus 2 would be positive 8, 6 plus 8 would be 14. So what we've done is we've made the left-hand side look a bit like the right-hand side in the terms that we've got x times something plus a number, and then we just compared the 11 here to what's in this bracket and the 14 to what's on the end, and we look for values of a and b that would make that true.